Here today again with Ryan Gomes and Lucas Pearson.
Yay.
Lucas, you will remember from the Fresca drinking contest, the winner. Although it might be contested because he did spit some out at the end, but we're going to give him. So did Ryan, but we're going to give Lucas the win. But today we're going to have a marshmallow eating contest.
Yeah.
And there's no spitting it out. So we're going to see how many marshmallows they can stuff into their mouth and chew and swallow. All right, on your mark, get set, go!
I'm sorry.
Oh! Okay. That's disgusting.
I almost vomited.
Maybe 7 was too many.
Yeah.
I think
let's go with 5.
I think Lucas is going to do it though. I still got the camera on him. Vomiting disqualifies you.